Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about Start Pro and structure design. So let's start new project. First of all, we will go to new project and apply the space and select millimeter and also kilogram, then go to next. Now we have add beam and go to finish. It is come from Start Pro background. Now look at this here, the grid member when I apply the front view. So see this grid member, I want to increase this grid, so we will edit here. Look at this one is snap node beam generate. So when apply the plane edit, here you can see that 10 to 1, so I get 5 to 50 and I also get 5 to 50. So this one is 0 to 50, 0, 100 and 250 like that, but I want 15. So here you can see that 15 and also again I will show you 15. So now the grid has been created and I can do this OK. Then also I have go to create the joint, this one to joint here, this one, and I also get I have go to joint to this one. So like this is joint here and start from this exit right now and so this is joint here and if look at this again joint, so I want get delete this beam here and I have go to joint to this one and upward direction right. Now add beam, so apply. So look at this member has been generated. If I want to edge joint, so properly we get this point to joint here, add beam, OK. And also joint this point here. So here right now when I get remove to extra node here, this is node cursor when I get remove ester node. When I get joined this particular line here. So again I will go to transitional repeat here. This is when apply the number of transitional repeating 200, 250, 300, 250. When apply the direction Z direction and I get link step, and before I will go to select whole diagram. And I can do this. Okay. So when I go to isometric view, look at this. This is joint here. When I go to remove extra line, so look at this. When I will go to apply the front view and here you can see that this is the member. When apply journal here and go to section, when apply the section here Indian, and first of all I get 5. The 5 is 21. Okay, and again I will apply 5 here, support 5, and user define is 10 and 8, and again apply the rectangle here. Tube 25 into 2.6 and apply the angle. The angle is going to 20. So let's see this. Apply here and go to close. First of all I get select before apply the pipe, and I will select this pipe here and pipe, and again after I will go to assign. Same thing, I want to go to user defined pipe, so select user defined pipe and also select and assign. And again I will show you angle here. So this is the, again I will show you square tube. So this is square tube. When apply the square tube and assign here, go to assign. Then last one I have go to assign the purling. So first of all we select this angle and click this hold purling. Okay, then apply assign yes. So now I will show you isometric view here. Look at this. This is the isometric view. See here, this one has purling structure has been created from Start Pro Create I. Look one. So this is very easy to create structure, solar structure from Start Pro. So today has completed the session.